When it comes to home improvement projects, replacing or upgrading windows is often one of the most significant investments homeowners will make. Windows contribute to the curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall comfort of your home. However, the price tag for high-quality windows can sometimes be a barrier, especially for homeowners in Fort Worth who are mindful of their budget. The good news is that affordable window solutions in Fort Worth don't have to mean compromising on quality. Why affordable windows matter? Windows are more than just a functional part of your home. They play a critical role in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. High-quality windows help regulate indoor temperatures, keep your home secure, and improve energy efficiency. In Fort Worth, where summers can be scorching and winters chilly, energy-efficient windows can lower utility bills and create a more comfortable living space year-round. However, the costs associated with window replacement or installation can add up quickly, and many homeowners may be reluctant to make the investment if they believe they have to sacrifice quality. Fortunately, you don't have to choose between affordability and quality. Several factors make it possible to access high-performance window solutions at reasonable prices. The importance of choosing the right window material. One of the most significant factors affecting the cost of windows is the materials used in their construction. While premium materials such as wood or fiberglass may offer superior aesthetics and insulation properties, they can also be more expensive. For homeowners looking for affordable solutions, vinyl windows are an excellent choice. Vinyl windows offer durability, energy efficiency, and a wide variety of styles, all at a lower cost compared to wood or fiberglass windows. Vinyl windows are resistant to weathering, fading, and moisture, making them an ideal choice for the fluctuating climate of Fort Worth. They also require minimal maintenance, which can save money in the long run. For homeowners seeking to improve their home without breaking the bank, vinyl windows offer a perfect balance of affordability and quality. Energy efficiency without the extra cost. When looking for affordable window solutions in Fort Worth, one of the most important factors to consider is energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your energy bills by preventing heat loss during the winter and blocking out heat during the summer. This results in a more comfortable home and lower monthly energy costs. Low E glass, low emissivity, is one of the most common features found in energy-efficient windows. This coating reflects heat, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature regardless of the weather outside. Triple-pane glass and gas fills such as argon or krypton can further enhance insulation, ensuring that your home stays energy efficient year-round. With the growing popularity of energy-efficient windows, many manufacturers now offer these features at competitive prices, making it easier for homeowners in Fort Worth to enjoy quality windows that are both affordable and energy efficient. Professional installation at competitive prices. Even the best windows won't perform to their full potential if they aren't properly installed. This is why professional installation is crucial, and luckily, there are affordable window installation services available in Fort Worth. Many window companies offer installation packages that are competitively priced, ensuring that you receive both high-quality windows and expert installation without breaking your budget. It's essential to choose an experienced, reliable contractor who can properly measure, install, and seal your windows. Proper installation ensures that your windows operate as efficiently as possible, preventing drafts, air leaks, and water infiltration. When choosing a window company in Fort Worth, always ask about their experience, certifications, and reviews from past customers to ensure you're getting the best service at an affordable price. Additional tips for saving on window replacement. If you're looking to save money on your window replacement project, consider the following tips. Look for discounts or promotions. Many window companies offer seasonal discounts or promotional deals that can help reduce the cost of window replacement. Consider replacing windows in phases. If you have several windows that need replacement, consider replacing them in stages. This can help spread the cost over time. Seek local companies. Local Fort Worth window companies often provide better pricing and customer service compared to national chains. Conclusion: upgrading or replacing your windows doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. In Fort Worth, homeowners have access to affordable window solutions that don't sacrifice quality. By choosing the right materials, prioritizing energy efficiency, and opting for professional installation, you can enhance the comfort and value of your home while staying within your budget. Whether you're looking for vinyl windows, energy-efficient options, or simply want a trusted professional to handle the installation, Fort Worth has a variety of affordable window solutions to meet your needs without compromising on quality.